Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Cozy Corner or Vignette. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More, and myself, Design with Emma. The co-hosts are Z9 Designs, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Barbara Daily Rural Life. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you about 3 vignettes. The theme is pastel. So come along as I show you my first vignette in my outdoor living area. So let me tell you about the first vignette that I have here. I have placed my board on my table here. I have added a candle, 2 bunny rabbits, and then I have my vase full of tulips in the yellow and white. So this is the first vignette I have for you. Now I'm gonna go in and change it and come back and give you another pastel vignette. Okay, so let's take a look at vignette number 2. I'll let you go ahead and take a look at it. Then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so vignette number 2, I've kept my same board here. What I've done, I went in and added a little chick here that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I've added my sand and fog candle, and then I switched up and added this little floral arrangement with the orange and yellow flowers. On the side, I did put a string of beads. So this is my second vignette. I truly hope I'm giving you some ideas for putting together your vignettes for the spring season. I'm gonna give you 2 more. I'm gonna give you another two larger ones. So let's do this. This is the 2 small vignettes. So let's go get number 3. Okay guys, so this is vignette number 3, and as I told you, it would be a larger one. I'm gonna let you go ahead and take a look at it. Then I'll come back and tell you a little about it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this. Now, if you've seen one of my previous videos, I did do a black lantern, and in the black lantern, I put the yellow flowers. Well, this is the white one, and as I told you, my accent colors this year would be yellow and orange. So the white one, I put the orange flower arrangement in it. This was an old lantern I had that I purchased from Kroger's, and I wanted to repurpose it. And so what I've done, I've added a flower arrangement inside it. On each side of the lantern, I have two Easter bunnies. They were from the Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 each. And I also have Easter eggs that were from the Dollar Tree. The two placemats were from Ross's, and I just used that as a mat to place under my vignette here. So as I said, we are doing pastels. So this is the third one. I will give you one more. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for inviting me to be a part of Cozy Corner or Vignette. I will be leaving her information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out her channel and all of the ladies who are participating in Cozy Corner or Vignette. So let's go to number 4, and that will be my final one. And this is vignette number 4. I'll let you take a look at it, then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Now let me tell you a little bit about vignette number 4. I've added my 2 pink bunnies. In the center, I have a candle holder. The beautiful candle holder did come from Ross's. Inside, I've placed a candle. The pink bunnies come from 5 and below, I think. The larger bunny was a DIY. And this is just a wooden bunny that I painted and added the flowers to, and the ribbon. Again, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on Cozy Corner or Vignette, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. Make sure you leave me a comment. I hope I've truly given you some ideas for decorating for the spring and Easter holiday. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.